Hi, I'm Chris from the Google Meeting Room Solutions team. At Google, we know how important it is to look and sound your best on calls, which is why I'm here with you today to talk to you about the Room Kit from Logitech. This here is the small room kit that features the Logitech all-in-one Meetup Conference camera, tap controller, and a pre-configured Chrome box, so it is plug-and-play ready to work with Google Meet. For all of you out there enjoying your Google Workspace products, I hope you are saying yes to video-first collaboration and leveraging your license of Google Meet. If you're new to Google Meet, it's an amazing video conferencing platform built right into Google Workspace. With Google Meet, you can easily schedule a video call from a number of different Google Workspace applications, including Chat, Calendar, Gmail, and Jamboard, to name a few. So let's take a look at what you get with this pre-configured small room kit. It includes an all-in-one Logitech Meetup Conference camera, the Logitech Tab touch control panel, and a CTL Chrome box to power the kit, and all the cables and mounts needed for an easy installation. The only thing not in this box is the Meet license required to provision the hardware. Make sure you purchase a license for your room from your approved Google Workspace reseller when you purchase your meeting room hardware. First things first, this is truly a plug-and-play system. Everything you need to get set up and installed is neatly packaged and right in the box. We've got a setup guide, which clearly illustrates how all the components fit together. No guesswork here, which is super nice. Let's start with the Meetup all-in-one conference camera. This 4K ultra-high-def conference cam is designed for rooms that fit 2 to 6 people. It's got 5x optical zoom and 120-degree wide field of view that is especially useful in small huddle rooms where individuals tend to sit close to the display. The wide field of view ensures that everyone is seen clearly. And also, check out the sound system included with the camera. It delivers pitch-perfect sound with a soundbar custom-tuned for huddle rooms and 3 built-in beam-forming microphones. The system auto-levels your voice and reduces static and background noises for quiet, uninterrupted meetings. The Meetup can be used for rooms of up to 8 people when using the optional Meetup expansion mic, which extends the microphone's pickup range. For convenience, it also comes with this stylish remote to control volume and the motorized camera, allowing you to pan, tilt, and zoom. Now here's the real star of the show, the Logitech Tab. As the name implies, it allows you to run many aspects of your meetings with a simple tap of your finger. You can control the whole Meet system. Tap it to join the call, tap it to zoom into the camera, tap to add someone new to the call, tap to record a call. It all happens from one centralized location right here on the tab. The Logitech Tab has a 10.1-inch touchscreen display that reduces fingerprints and glare for easy operation in difficult lighting. A motion sensor saves power when the device is idle, and it turns it back on when it detects motion. Tap connects directly into the Chrome box, and it has a clever cable retention system built in. This system helps reduce strain on the cables and also allows 2 exit points. This is super clever as different mounting solutions require different cable routing. Let's move on to the brains of the kit, the CTL Chrome box. This powerhouse utilizes an Intel Core i7 processor with a built-in video accelerator. And this particular Chrome box was built with the specific purpose of powering a Logitech Meetup Conference camera. With 128 gigabytes of solid-state storage and 8 gigs of RAM, it ensures every call you take and action you perform will be smooth and reliable. The Chrome box and the entirety of the kit can be managed by a super admin in the Google Admin Control Panel, enabling easy access to analytics, room usage, and device health across all of your deployed devices. And here's a benefit that will ease your mind. This kit includes 24/7 support from Logitech for each component. For example, if you need help with the CTL Chrome box, Logitech is there for you. No need to call multiple vendors for support. Logitech is a one-stop shop. Also worth mentioning is that Logitech offers a wide range of optional mounting and cabling accessories, which allow you to meet the unique needs of your meeting rooms, whether it be the need to run cables through conduits and keep them securely hidden, or ensure that components are affixed to the room furniture or the wall. Logitech has you covered. Overall, the Logitech Small Room Kit for Google Meet is a wonderful all-in-one solution that works seamlessly with Google Meet. This one box offers a room solution that is easy to install, manage, and use. With crystal clear audio and video, the Small Room Kit is a great choice for organizations that want brilliant video collaboration as a perfect complement to Google Workspace.